Hi, everyone. To try to save some time on tonight's live lecture, because some of the calculations are very long and difficult, I thought I would go over your assignments in a separate little video. So here we're going to talk about your discussion board. So this week we're talking about dilutions, which we're going to talk about special dilutions in the assignments today. Your discussions are going to talk about what are some advantages to being able to create special dilutions for customers and patients, and then why would we create these? So who are the people we're creating them for, and why are we doing so? So this is going to be your discussion topic this week. Your initial posts are all due by Tuesday, tomorrow, 11/27. Your apply posts are due by Saturday, 12/1. And then just remember that if you do choose to use any referencing, that you are putting that in APA format. Remember, if you need help doing APA format, there is a link to the APA guide provided by the library on your left-hand toolbar in Blackboard. Your assignment this week, we're going to be calculating dosing for a compound, and we're going to be basing it off of a given prescription. We're going to do a very similar example in our class today, so make sure you pay attention to the live lecture this week. You're going to get 4 points for calculating each of the 4 components involved, and then you're going to just get points for showing your work. So again, make sure that you're getting those points for showing your work. This is due by Sunday at midnight. Your case scenario is going to be creating a TPN formula, which we're also going to learn how to do this week. You're going to get so many points for each question answered. There's a total of 10 questions, and each of those is basically going to be going step by step through calculating the TPN. And then you're going to get those 10 points for showing all your work. So just make sure you show your work. And this is also due by Sunday. Your course project looks very similar every week. I'm still having people not summarizing for the very first part, so make sure that you're doing that section. So when you show your equation, make sure you're telling me what that equation is to get your full credit. For your concept or definition, make sure you're giving me a full concept or full definition. Do not just give me a SIG for this section. You're getting 10 points for this, so make sure you're getting full credit. Your critical thinking question this week asks why we need to retain compounding records. There's many reasons why we need to do this. So it says in a few sentences. Make sure you give me more than one sentence. There's a lot of great reasons why we have to do this. There's a lot of law behind it. So you may need to do some referencing for this one, and that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you cite it if you do look up some sources for this one. All the points totals are the same, and your rubric looks the same as every week, and this is due again on Sunday. Another quiz this week, another 20-question quiz. Same time frame, 30 minutes, and you must complete it by Sunday. I have a lot of people waiting till Sunday night to do these. You're freaking me out. That's why I keep putting reminder announcements up. I hate seeing so many people waiting till the last minute because I'm afraid you're not going to finish or have issues with the website. So make sure you're getting this done. Please don't procrastinate on this one. And I will put up your code word during the live lecture, so make sure you watch the live lecture this week. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving, and I'll see you during the live lecture.